Howdy, I'm Wally the Washer from Dripping Springs, Texas. Come along and see what fun things I'm washing today. Hey kids, it's Wally the Washer from Dripping Springs, Texas. Today, we're going to learn how to clean our rooms and make it super fun. First, let's start by picking up all the toys and putting them back where they belong. It's like a treasure hunt. Find all your favorite things and give them a home. Next, let's make the bed. Smooth out the sheets and fluff up the pillows. It's like tucking your bed in for a nap. Now, let's tackle the floors. Pick up any clothes or shoes and put them in the closet or laundry basket. Then, give the floor a quick sweep or vacuum to make it sparkle. Finally, let's organize your desk and shelves. Put your books and school supplies in order. It's like a puzzle, finding the perfect spot for everything. Remember, cleaning your room can be fun, and it makes your space a nice place to play and relax. Great job, everyone. Keep it tidy, and see you next time on Wally's Adventures.